Welcome to our shoe factory located in the heart of Northamptonshire. We have been handcrafting shoes since 1880 and we still use traditional techniques to this day. Each shoe is made using the finest materials and every step is meticulously crafted by hand. Our craftsmen take pride in their work and it shows in every single shoe that we produce. We use elast to build the shoe on, which ensures a perfect fit every time. This traditional technique has been used for centuries and is still the preferred method of shoemaking today. Our factory is filled with vintage machines that have been in use for decades. They may look old, but they are still the best way to create the perfect shoes. Our shoes are not just made to last, they are made to be admired. From the first cut of the leather to the final polish, every step of the process is designed to create a shoe that you will love for years to come.